feeling a lot of different emotions. Finally, the hard work has paid off.
Our team has worked really, really hard for this, and we've gone undefeated this year, and so leading up into conference and state, we were really excited to take these wins, and it feels wonderful. We're 8 consecutive for state, 11 overall, which is absolutely incredible. I'm really proud of my team and where we've come, and these wins feel great.
This is my first state title, so it's awesome.
We were super excited when we found out state was going to be in Cabot. Our girls, they've won, this is their 8th one in a row, so I felt like they were going to, win wherever we went, but our boys, I knew we were going to be good enough, and I thought that, since we were hosting, it was going to give us that extra boost.
It feels amazing. Like, the energy is just amazing. We have parents and students come and support us.
I'm excited for the kids. They worked hard. On the weekends, they bowl leagues. They go to tournaments, try to earn scholarship money.
Come up here about every day to practice, just for state title.
I'm super happy for them. They're super hard-working kids, and they're just great to be around.
Cabot, we're a great school, we're a great organization here, and being able to be a part of this team, this legacy, it's incredible. I'm really thankful for our coaches and what they put into us. Coach Brown, Coach Corey, they're incredible, and they've helped our program so much. They put so much time into this, and we're really grateful to be here.
We finally did it. We got to state, we won. It's been a while, but we're back. We're going for 2 in a row next year.